अस्सलाम वालेकुम। होप यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है ब्रांचेस ऑफ साइंस। एक्रोलॉजी मीन द स्टडी ऑफ टिक्स एंड माइट्स। एरोलॉजी द स्टडी ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर। आइटोलॉजी द स्टडी ऑफ कॉजेज ऑफ डिसीज। एग्रोबायोलॉजी द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन। आगे आ गया जी। एग्रोस्टोलॉजी द स्टडी ऑफ ग्रासेस। एल्कोलॉजी द स्टडी ऑफ एल्गाई। Allergology, the study of the causes and treatment of allergies. Andrology, the study of male health. Anesthesiology, the study of anesthesia. Angiology, the study of anatomy of blood. Anthropology, the study of humans. Apiology, the study of bees. Archaeology, the study of spiders. Archaeology, the study of past cultures. Aerology, the study of Mars. Astrobiology, the study of the origin of life. Geology, the study of geology of celestial bodies. Archaeology, the study of herring. Bacteriology, the study of bacteria. Bioecology, the study of interaction of life in the environment. Biology, the study of life. Cardiology, the study of heart. Climatology, the study of climate. Craniology, the study of characteristics of skull. Criminology, the study of crime. Cytology, the study of cells. Dendrochronology, the study of age of trees. Dendrology, the study of trees. Dermatology, the study of skin. Diabetology, the study of diabetes mellitus. आगे ई कैटेगरी में इकोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप्स बिटवीन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड देयर एनवायरनमेंट. एम्ब्रियोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ एम्ब्रियोज. एंडोक्रिनोलॉजी, द स्टडी ऑफ इंटरनल secretory glands. Secretory glands. Entomology, the study of insects. Enzymology, the study of enzymes. Epidemiology, the study of the origin and spread of diseases. Ethology, the study of animal behavior. Exobiology, the study of life in outer space. Exogeology, the study of geology of celestial bodies. Gastrology, the study of stomach and intestines. Geology, the study of earth. Hematology, the study of blood. Heliology, the study of the sun. Hepatology, the study of liver. Herpetology, the study of reptiles and amphibians. Hippology, the study of horses. Histology, the study of living tissues. Hydrology, the study of water. Immunology, the study of immune system. Metrology, the study of measurement. Mycology, the study of fungi. Mycology, the study of muscles. Numismatics, the study of coins. Odontology, the study of teeth. Oncology, the study of cancer. Ology, the study of eggs. Ornithology, the study of birds. Otology, the study of air. Seismology, the study of earthquakes. Virology, the study of viruses. Zoology, the study of animals. It was the branches of science. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, लेक्चर को तैयार कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़, थैंक यू।